Hello, my name's Jordan and I run Our Kindy Folk. I've been very kindly asked by Sam from Explore Your Senses to look at and review some of her products. Today I'm going to look at the Learn at Home kit, and this one is specifically for little people. Let's have a look inside. This kit has a huge range of resources to motivate your children to learn at home in a huge range of subjects. First of all, it contains this amazing set of alphabet beanbags, each with the capital letter and the little letter on, all in lovely bright colours. There are so many fun games you can play with these, and your children won't even realise they're learning. One simple one is to get a bucket or a washing up bowl and take turns throwing a beanbag into the bucket. When you get it into the bucket, you name the letter and you make the sound. Z. Zzz. Not only will your children practice the hand-eye coordination skills of getting the beanbag into the bucket, you will also be modelling to them the names of the letters and the sounds they make. And gradually they will learn that too. It doesn't have to just be about the letters though. You could start with naming the colours of the beanbags. Or if you have different age children at home, maybe your early learner is naming the colours, or even just saying ready, steady, go, and then your older children are naming the letters. Or even can spell out words, throwing 3 bags into the bucket. Bed. Great family fun. Your children will just think they're playing a game together and having an enriching experience, whilst you know there's a lot more skills learnt that they don't even realise. Next up is this big red timer. Turn the switch at the back. "30. Finished! This is great for helping your children learn the concept of time. You don't have to just use it for specific learning tasks, you could use it just throughout the day. It's the best way to learn. If they want to know how long they've got until they go to school or until lunchtime, you can say, it's going to be 15 minutes. And then they can see how long they've got left. And gradually they'll get to learn how long 15 minutes really feels like. Now watch the time go. It's a great warning to know that it's nearly time to finish, and finished! A wonderful visual learning tool that can be used in so many ways throughout the day and in your everyday life. Next up we have an All About Me mirror board. On one side there's a blank face, whilst on the other side is a mirror. This is a great learning tool for emotions. Look in the mirror. How do you feel? Draw it. What makes you feel that way? How can we help you feel better? Then work together to feel calm again. This is a great learning tool to help little ones explore big emotions and appropriate ways to manage those. Next up, now this could be a really fun one. These are smell pots. They're little white pots with holes in the top, and you can put whatever you like in these. You could go outside in the garden and pop some flowers or herbs inside. You could explore the kitchen and maybe put some spices inside, or absolutely anything you like. Close it up, give it a smell, swap it around. Can you guess what I saw today? What could that be? It's not very often that we get to use our smell sense just on its own, and this is a great way of doing just that. Maybe you could make smelly journey jars when you're out on your walks, and then share with other family members once they get home. It could be a great conversation starter. Next up we have these focus finger highlighters. Now what you do is you select a colour, put it on your ring, put the ring on your finger, and then as you are reading, you place the square over the word, and helps you just focus on the word you're reading rather than being overwhelmed by a page of words and letters. B-I-G, big. R-E-D, red. Lots of children get overwhelmed when reading. This could be a very simple tool to help them focus and to feel a bit less overwhelmed. Next up we have Light and Sound's answer buzzers. You could hold your own family quiz, and when you know the answer, press your buzzer. This adds a spot of fun for home learning. It's completely flexible how you use it or where you use it, as there are no wires You could hold your own family game show. Last up, we have this huge box of 16 puzzles, all first words, and all phonetically decodable CVC words. That's consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's have a look. Each of the puzzles has 3 pieces. On one side is the picture, simple and fun pictures with the letters underneath. And then on the other side are super clear letters. Ox, fox. You could use these in lots of ways. I would like to hide these in a sensory tray filled with rice. Then when they find their 3 pieces, they need to try and make a word. They could use the picture side or the letters side, and then sound out the word to see if they've got it right. There are 16 different puzzles to decode in here. A super fun way to learn phonics. Your children won't even know they're learning. A great way to read at home together. What a huge bag of learning fun to get you started in your home learning journey.